we're about to do something that almost never works perfectly. And it's going to work pretty darn good, unexpectedly so. Now, I don't want to take the time to explain why we're doing all this stuff. Just know in the future, you're going to understand why. I'm going to come to layer 1. And actually, this is our retouch layer. So I can type, retouch. I double clicked on the name, not here. Actually, I didn't even spell it right. So retouch, Touch. There we go. And then I'm going to right click out here in the gray area. Right click and convert to smart object. Now notice it gets this weird little symbol right there. And that means these pixels are now protected. Okay? They got a Captain America shield in front of them, an Iron Man suit on, whatever you want to call it. And then we're going to come up to filter, and I use shortcuts so I can't find these things. And the camera raw filter right here. Okay? And by the way, you have a different shortcut than me, and later on we're going to set custom shortcuts, and I'm going to explain why I changed that. But for right now, just select camera raw filter, which opens up, we're in Photoshop, but it opens up the camera raw dialog box here. It's a big full screen box, or it should be full screen. If I click on this green button, if yours for whatever reason is small, click on this green button and go full screen, and it doesn't cover the menu. See. And then I once saw Scott Kelby do this, the president of the National Association of Photoshop Professionals. And he goes, don't tell anyone I do this, but I always click auto just to see what'll happen. So like when I opened this up, like I did, I clicked auto and went, holy moly, that's pretty dang good. If we hit the letter P, P is for preview. I'm going to move the cursor so it's not over that. P, there's before, there's after. Whoa, what a difference. Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah. We could make a whole bunch of other changes, and I could take you through this, and I could take you through all these other channels here and show you all kinds of great stuff. But for right now, I'm just going to click OK. Because if I turn this camera raw filter off, this little eyeball down here where the cursor is, see where my mouse is? If I turn that eyeball off, that's what it looked like. Whoa, that's what it did. Pretty dang cool, huh? All right, so I'm going to hit Command minus just so we can see the whole thing. Now, let's come back and make our square. Ooh,